Hello from me and Fred today. Now, we've been doing really well learning our set 1 sounds. Some of you know them all really well. Some of you need to practice a little bit more. So we're just going to go over a few more today. Okay, can you remember what this sound is? Y. W. Good. J. And V. Good. Okay. What's that one? What's that one? What's that one? Robot. Jack in the box. Vulture. Yak. And W for worm. Okay. Right, let's do those again. See if you can do them without thinking. Ready? Go. Very good. Let's go a bit quicker. Go. Very good. Let's see if we can make a word. Got to do that. Right, okay, are we ready? First word starts with Y. Then A. And then P. Where's Fred? Here he is. Fred, talk with me. Y. A. P. Yap. Very good. Okay, next one. Starts with W. I've lost the second letter. Silly Mrs. Hards. Okay, here we go. Ready? Yeah. And the last letter is B. Fred, talk with me. Here we go. W. B. W. B. Web. Good Fred talk. Okay, I'll be back later with some more sounds. Bye, boys and girls.